Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on Samsung Galaxy M04. And to do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, find app called RAR, install it. Then, when it's done, you should be able to open the app. Now let's locate the files that we want to extract. Click on that file, then select the arrow pointing up button. You'll enter extraction options. You can customize it, but it's not necessary. I'm just gonna go with browse to change the designations and unpack them in a screenshots folder. Click on OK, then on OK again, and here's the files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.